By the end of this guide, you will have a fully integrated workspace where the Qwen model is generating code responses directly inside your local VS Code terminal. This comparison matrix shows the latest AI benchmarks. Looking at the coding column, Qwen 3.7 scores a 92 out of 100, matching Claude 3.5's top-tier performance. Right now, you can access this specific model completely free. KiloCode is running a limited-time developer acquisition offer to build their user base. Integrating these models directly into your local editor means you get the benefit of an advanced AI coding assistant without the recurring monthly subscription costs. Step 1. Before we begin the installation, verify your environment. You must have an active internet connection, Visual Studio Code, and a working installation of Node.js and NPM on your machine. Open your system terminal. To install the core engine system-wide, type out npm install-g KiloCode/CLI and press Enter. You will know it worked when the process completes and outputs a success message confirming the number of added packages at the bottom of the screen. If you run into installation errors, do not use the sudo command to force it through. Instead, fix your npm directory permissions to keep your system secure. Installing this global package lays the groundwork. It creates the communication bridge between your local operating system and the external AI gateway. Now, open VS Code. Click into the Extensions Marketplace on the left sidebar, search for Kilo, and look for the official KiloCode integration result. Select that top result and click the blue Install button right inside the editor. Modern VS Code extensions activate immediately, so you don't even need to restart your software to keep going. Look at your activity bar on the far left. You will see a new K icon. Click and pin this shortcut so you have rapid access to the tool while you write code. Adding this dedicated panel turns a standard text editor into a persistent, contextual AI workspace. To keep everything in a single window, press Ctrl backtick to open VS Code's integrated terminal and click inside the prompt area. When launching the tool, avoid using generic verbs like open code, which will simply throw a command not found error and halt your progress. Instead, launch the interface by typing the exact package name, KiloCode, and hit Enter. Once the CLI is running, type /models to fetch the available directory. Since the platform aggregates dozens of different options, use the search bar to filter specifically for Qwen 3.7. Scan the results and select the instance explicitly marked Qwen 3.7 Plus free. Pay close attention here. If you select the base or max versions without that free tag, you will consume API tokens and generate unexpected costs. By meticulously routing your setup to the correct promotional endpoint, you secure enterprise-grade assistance without the enterprise price tag. Let's test the connection to be sure. Press Tab to enter chat mode and type, "Which model is this?" Check the assistant's output. It should explicitly confirm that you are interacting with Kilo Qwen 3.7 Plus. Running this quick identity check proves your IDE is communicating exactly with the cost-free endpoint we configured. Your system is now securely hooked up, validated, and fully operational for complex development tasks. With the setup complete, you now have a fully populated workspace ready for action. You can highlight code snippets, ask questions about your file structure, and let the agent write, debug, and refactor directly alongside your active projects. If this guide streamlined your setup, subscribe to the channel for more developer tool configurations and workflow tutorials. Bringing high-performing, open-source models directly into the IDE you already use cuts out the friction of switching windows, accelerating how you build software.